I don't know who needs to hear this, but stop believing everything you think. Seriously, stop. Your thoughts are not facts. They come from your past beliefs, perspectives, and experiences. What you are thinking right now comes from what you have seen, heard, and experienced in the past. And those experiences come from your old thoughts. So if you're desiring to change, start practicing becoming the observer and not the participant. This means when you think a thought, and it doesn't matter, negative or positive, pay attention to how it makes you feel. If you like the feeling, great job. You're thinking thoughts that are aligned with your higher self. If you think thoughts and you feel awful, don't become the participant, observe it, and it's time to get curious. Why do you think that way? Where do these thoughts come from? What would you have to believe about the world, yourself, and other people to think these thoughts? I'm going to say that again. What would you have to believe about the world or yourself or other people to think this way? So what does your belief system look like for you to think these thoughts? This is what it means to become an observer and not a participant in your reality. What does it look like if you were the participant? I'll give you an example. You have a thought, let's say someone rejected you in dating, and instead of looking at that rejection as an experience, as a way to now move on to the next person, you start to make that rejection about who you are. So if you have a belief system that you're not good enough, the thoughts that would come with rejection would be, I'm unloved because this person rejected me. I will never find anyone else because this person rejected me and they were the best for me. There's nobody else out there like this person. And you start to make everything external. You start to make up stories about how this person rejecting you means that you are unlovable, unimportant, uninteresting. So do you see how your thoughts come from your belief system? Whatever you believe about yourself, other people, and the world create the thoughts that you think. But if you have a strong belief system that you are enough, you are lovable, when someone rejects you, you won't make up stories about how it's your fault. You won't ruminate about the past or spiral into negative thoughts about yourself. You will simply say thank you. Maybe you'll be hurt a little bit because, we're human, but you'll move on and you'll get over it fast. You're not going to sit and spiral and identify with those thoughts. You only identify with thoughts if you believe in them. Okay, if you need help, check out the tapping bundles at the top of my page. There's one to heal your inner child as well. And if that's what you need to release old stories of your conditioning, then do the work. I believe in you. Stop procrastinating your glow up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and ask me any questions in the comments below.